John made $2,350 last month by getting people to click on links. I know that sounds insane, but give me a few minutes of your time and I'll explain exactly how he does it, and how you can do it too. And yes, this is legit. You don't need to sell anything, manage inventory, or spend hours learning some complicated skill. Regular people are doing this every day, and they're making real money. Let me explain how it works, step by step. Step 1. Find click-worthy content. To make this work, you need to find content that people are genuinely interested in. Think about it. When was the last time you clicked on a link? What made you curious enough to take that action? In most cases, it's because the content promised something valuable, entertaining, or helpful. One of the best sources for this kind of content is YouTube. It's packed with videos that people love to watch, and there's no shortage of topics to choose from. But instead of wandering aimlessly through the platform, you need to approach this with a plan. Start by focusing on a niche that has broad appeal, something like self-improvement. Why? Because these topics resonate with almost everyone. Whether it's becoming more productive, improving health, or building a positive mindset, people are always looking for ways to better themselves. Go to YouTube and type something specific like how to stay motivated or easy fitness tips. You'll notice that certain videos stand out because they have thousands or even millions of views. This tells you two things. The video is popular and people are actively interested in the topic. Watch the first minute or two of a few options to make sure the content is high quality. Once you've found a good one, copy the link from the browser. That's your starting point. Step 2. Use a URL shortener. Sharing a raw YouTube link doesn't make you any money. To turn that link into a money-making machine, you need to use something called a URL shortener. Specifically, you'll want to use a platform like UEI. This website does something really clever. It takes your long YouTube URL and shortens it into something compact. But more importantly, it monetizes the link for you. Here's how. Whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, they're taken to an intermediate page that displays an ad for a few seconds before redirecting them to the YouTube video. The ad generates revenue, and UEI splits that money with you. Now let's walk through exactly how to set this up. First, head over to the UEI website. You'll see a sign-up button. Click on it. The registration process is simple and free. All you need is an email address and a password, and to create a username. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Find this box here and paste the YouTube link you copied earlier. Once you do that, hit the shorten button. In just a few seconds, UEI will give you a new shortened link. This link is unique to you, which means every time someone clicks on it, your earnings will start adding up. Step 3. Create a landing page. Sharing one link won't get you very far. You want to build a system that keeps earning for you even when you're not actively working. That's where a landing page comes in. A landing page is essentially a one-stop shop where you can organize multiple links in one place. Instead of sharing each shortened link individually, you share one link to your landing page, and people can click on whatever interests them. For this, we'll use a free tool called Linktree. Go to their website and sign up for an account. Once you're inside, you'll see a simple interface where you can start adding links. Take the shortened link you created on UEI and paste it into Linktree. Give it a title that matches the YouTube video, like Top Tips for Staying Motivated. Add a few more links in the same way to create a small collection of content. Once you're done, Linktree will give you a unique URL for your landing page. This is the link you'll be promoting. Step 4. Write relevant articles. Promoting your links. To get more eyeballs on your landing page and more clicks, you need content that draws people in. One of the best ways to do this is by writing an article that's directly related to the videos you're sharing. Think of it as a way to add value. For example, if your links are about productivity, you could write an article titled 5 Simple Hacks to Get More Done Every Day. If you're not confident in your writing skills, don't worry. AI can handle this for you. Head over to ChatGPT and type in a detailed prompt like, Write a 2,000-word article on simple productivity hacks for busy people. The AI will generate a draft for you in seconds. Once you have the draft, copy and paste it into a Google Doc. Take a few minutes to read through it and make any necessary edits. Make sure the article flows well and genuinely offers useful advice. And don't forget to include your Linktree URL within the article. Mention it naturally by saying things like, "For more tips and resources, check out this list of helpful videos." Step 5. Publish your articles. Once your article is polished, it's time to publish it where people will actually see it. Medium is a great platform for this. It's free to use and has a built-in audience of readers who are hungry for quality content. Sign up for a free account on Medium, then click on the Write a Story button. Copy and paste your article into the editor. Double-check the formatting and make sure your Linktree links are clickable. Add a catchy headline and a relevant image to make the article more appealing. When you're happy with how it looks, hit publish. Step 6. Promote your articles. Publishing on Medium is just the beginning. To reach out to as many people as possible, you need to promote your article. Share your landing page link on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit. Join groups and forums where people are already discussing topics related to your article. For example, if your article is about productivity, look for communities that focus on self-improvement or time management. Engage with these communities by answering questions and sharing insights. When it feels appropriate, share the link to your article as a resource. As traffic starts flowing to your landing page, you'll start to see clicks add up in your UI account. Each click might only earn a small amount, but with enough traffic, those small amounts add up. Over time, you can expand this system by adding more links to your landing page, creating more articles, and exploring other platforms to share your content. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a legitimate way to earn passive income with a little upfront effort. The beauty of this method is its simplicity. You're not selling anything, there's no inventory to manage, and you don't need any special skills to get started. All it takes is consistency and a willingness to learn as you go. So let's recap. Find engaging YouTube videos, shorten their links, organize those links on a Linktree landing page, create and publish related articles to drive traffic, and share those articles across multiple platforms. Each step builds on the last, creating a system that works for you around the clock. With a bit of effort, you can start turning clicks into cash today. Have you heard of Why before? Will you be trying this method out? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this.